Okay, boomers. Today we're going to talk about a 90-degree clamp. This is a 90-degree clamp. Big fat handles for your arthritic hands. Excellent for making boxes. You bolt it down to the table, here and here. Makes good holding clamp. It's also got a little pivot to it for uneven wood. For example, mounting a 1-inch board to a 1/2 inch, it'll adjust, makes a perfect 90 every time. These are on Amazon, about 30 bucks a set, but worth every dollar. So dip into a little of that precious savings, make life a little easier for you in the shop. It's called a 90-degree clamp. If you're making boxes, even dollhouses for the little ones, makes an excellent base mount. 90-degree clamp. Get caught up.